Does your golf cart battery just click? It acts like it wants to move, but it doesn't move. And if it does move, it's just for a very short distance. One of the most common problems on these golf cart batteries is corrosion. See, and sometimes this bolt right here with the nut on the top of it gets a little wobbly. And while you're doing this, just make sure this switch is in the toe position. That way there's no electronics hooked up to your battery directly through the system. And if you can just take off that bolt, sometimes you're pretty lucky to get it off of there without having to take all of that off. Then you can examine your terminals. Yeah, a lot of playroom in there, and you can kind of see how that's angled. That's not supposed to be angled. And also over here on this battery, you can see the corrosion on that one. So just cleaning this stuff up will go a long way. What's happening with this golf cart is each of these 8-volt batteries, and there's 6 of them on this 48-volt golf cart, each of them read above 8 volts like they're supposed to. You come up to the back of the golf cart, I've got this bolt out and this bolt out, and I keep some tape on here. And this is where you will usually hear the clicking. You can hear your brushes in here clicking and trying to move. These brushes are fairly new, so I don't suspect that's the problem. I suspect that it's a connection problem. And as you're doing your terminal checks, you can look right here and see that this is definitely a problem. It may look like it's connected, but when you start wiggling it just a little bit, that's why it was clicking and not actually working. You can tell where I've cut the end of this off. I'm going to add this end on there, this new one. And you can see the new terminal after it's been installed there. Good connection. Problem fixed. If this was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button so you can see more videos on the channel here.